Have you ever come across an old, faded, or damaged photograph and wished you could bring it back to life? Well, today I'll show you how to restore your old photos in just a few clicks using an amazing AI tool. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Head over to ai.nero.com. In the AI Tools section, click on Photo Restore. Here in the Upload section, just drag and drop your image. The best part here is that we can choose from these three options which says to fix the scratch, enhance the faces and to colorize the image. Choose the one that you want. I'll choose all the three options. When done, click on Start. Wait for it to process. Have a look at the amazing result it generated. Once you are happy with the result, just click download and you have got your beautifully restored photo ready to cherish forever. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.